Back at it.
It's chicken.
Yeah. I don't know what this. GoBots maybe? Hey, how was your birthday?
It was good.
You didn't party too hard.
Well, I tried not to. You know, my daughter, we went to Golden Corral Friday.
Yeah.
And, you know the twins that come out here, they're twin sisters?
Uh-huh, yeah. Usually come in the afternoon.
Yeah, they was over there with two other ladies. She asked me, she said, are you going out to Goodwill? And I said, no, not today.
Not on my birthday.
She said, oh, yes, you are. And I knew something was up, so I came out here a couple hours later.
Yeah.
Everybody was over there in the corner. They had a big bouquet of flowers.
Oh, that's so nice.
Signed it. Saying happy birthday. Oh my God.
Yeah.
That made my day.
The people here are nice, man. Like,
Yeah.
it's crazy. Like, usually these places have a reputation of everybody being rude, and like, I feel like the people that come in here all the time are pretty good here. Yeah. Look who snuck in over here.
What's happening?
How you doing?
Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little late getting here.
Yeah, me too. I don't know, like, I just don't really care that much anymore.
I haven't been finding much enough.
Well, I came in Friday, they didn't even have anything out. It's like, well, no point in rushing over here.
Yeah, you got a point there.
Except to see the old brass man down there. He finally got out of the van.
Okay.
Is that anything?
There you go, I got something for you. You can cut it off with
Thank you.
that.
I'll try.
Cut it.
There you go.
Get to cutting, boy.
Hey,
Hey,
you behave.
I'm trying. I know. Mama Rose back at it again.
Bye, bud.
Hey. I should have stayed home.
I'm sorry.
Nah, they at least have stuff on the belts today. That's cool. Look at that guy.
That's cute.
Missing a fin.
This sucks.
Don't bring me down. So they just got shoes over there, right? Hey, Amy, is that all shoes over there? Okay. Couple wears. All right.
Don't want to do that.
The Thunderdome. Those are kind of wicked. I kind of like those. Pick those. Did you find me anything?
A little bit.
For me?
What, no, you.
Nah, nothing for me? Okay.
You find anything for yourself? Let's get rid of that.
No. I didn't find anything. What do we got?
It's a reasonably old.
The Bathmate.
Yeah,
Did you just throw it in there?
I don't
Was
know.
GE trying to kill everybody back in the day?
I hope so.
Throw it in the tub with you.
How about that?
What's that? Whoa, a watch band?
Yeah.
Probably not. 20 bucks.
Oh.
$15. $12. Man, that went out fast, man. Where's that money? Where's Shirley at? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What we got here? Okay, what's this? Okay, that goes to that. ball. Be nice if there's some dongles in here. Where's some dongles? Got the dongles. Ooh. Look at the hair. What?
My name is Jeff.
What's up with the green raccoon? Anthropology. Is that something? Did we just strike gold? This might be like 20 bucks. That's a W. That's a win.
This will come out. It might just be wet from in here.
Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that. Thank you.
I don't want to mess with it.
Yeah, I like it.
I think it smells.
Thank you. Playing defense, I guess. What? That ain't gonna be worth buying. Let somebody else have it. Pen art. No, I don't like it. What you want? You're late.
You're right, it's story of my life.
I didn't see anything for you. Nothing at all for.
Well, here we go. Mine's dead. If you ever go in the hospital.
You probably need those just as is, right? So you don't slip.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Real? Nope. I get it. Made you look. You still doing those?
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
You're welcome. That's right.
That's a hell of an attitude.
I got to look out for you.
Somebody's got to do it. It's a dirty job.
Dirty job. Somebody's got to do
I
it.
think I'm leaving.
What?
I'm headed
It's 11:19, Bryce.
1926.
Yeah. It's not noon. Noon is the time we leave.
I'm headed to Olive Garden.
Yeah, you better get there early if you want to get in.
Oh, you don't worry about that anymore.
Those people, yeah, really? I haven't been over there in years. Is it not busy anymore?
They've lost a lot of customers.
Why?
Used to have to stand in line.
Oh yeah, yep, I remember.
Not anymore.
Get them breadsticks. I made you look. There's a big fish. He's broken though. No, I don't want it. A spooner. Huh. Wait. dandy. What's that say? Just a big old NFL banner. I don't think so. What's this? Felted soap. That's really weird. Holy crap. Look at that face.
Happy birthday!
I don't like it. That little mouse. Crackle. Wow. More of the same stuff today, guys. This place is going downhill right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do about it. All right, y'all, we got out of the outlet spending just under 2 hours in there. I saw really one full rotation of wares, so 3 new belts while I was in there. I didn't really find much, and this has been the story for at least the past 2 weeks. It's really hard to make content in there when we're not getting rotations. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I might go MIA and just stay home and work through my death pile and other things. But right now is not a great time at this outlet. Well, I feel like this happens every year. There's usually like a point in the summer where it seems like the donations just dry up. And, you know, I think a lot of people have boycotted donating to Goodwill. So maybe that is playing a factor. Just everybody being on trips, summer vacation, all that stuff. But right now, there's just not stuff coming out. I mean, could it be the AI tools that they're using to sort in the back? I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, we just found really cool vintage toys, what, a week ago, really. But they were wrapped up in napkins, so it's not like the AI was going to look through the napkins.
You sure about that?
We ended up spending $2.13 in there somehow, so let's get into it. One of the ladies in there that I see quite a bit, she looks at the clothes sometimes, and I was standing next to her. She's like, "Hey, do you want this Carhartt?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure. I'll probably cut this off and wear it myself. I don't have any plans for it other than personal use." We got one Frosty. We got one little Minecraft Lego minifig. I usually grab these for the girls because they have the cameras, and it's the little Instax. Well, how do you say that? Instax Mini? Instax?
Are you stupid or something?
Instax. Instax.
Nailed it.
I got me some sunglasses. They're from the Thunderdome restaurant group, but you can never have enough sunglasses. And then the find of the day has to be, unfortunately, the Anthropology mermaid plush. I've never seen Anthropology plush in my life, and I've heard the name brand from watching clothing resellers and stuff, but I've never found my own. So I guess this is kind of a decent piece, $20. All right, y'all, let's get out of here. As always, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this one. If you guys made it through this whole video, you're a sick individual and you should hit the sub button and join us. And if you already have joined us, go ahead and hit the like button. Leave me a comment below. Hype me up. Share me. I don't know. Do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. And until next time, take care and keep the thrift alive. I don't really know what good content is, but that wasn't it.